Don't go sleeping. Okay, Five Nations. Are you guys all ready? Akirato mi che ora ko undi cantante ng estelar di Five Nations Subi. While the junior tekla mi che some request some Bob Marley music DJ, okay? Sana pedir alguma música de Bob Marley? Mirando com inteira sua carreira ela honra Bob Marley. It's time to request some Bob Marley music. Você anda me say, why yo? Why yo yo yo? Why yo? Why yo yo yo? Ah, tá você ambore. Ladies and gentlemen. Cantante, no. Mi sa che botar apreciamo se il cantante ne siete che bom. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to enjoy more music. Pelas, Latinoamérica 2018. La ganó si con un fuerte aplauso. Five Nation featuring Junior Tekla. Oye, again.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Five Nations. Yo. Five Nation in the building, people. I welcome you all tonight. I'm the MC, the host with the most. My name is Uncle Getz. You know, this is how we're gonna do it tonight. And I hope y'all feel this. Hey, yo. Man, are y'all feeling this? All right, here we go. What? Oh, yeah. Are y'all feeling this?
Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Oh, yeah,
Can
man.
you feel it?
I bet you that the band is feeling this vibe right now, man.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you feel it?
Yo, Brion, play.
Can you feel
What's
it?
that feeling, see? Do shit, swag. All right, man. Here we go.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, man. I'm going to welcome to the stage
Oh yeah, yeah.
one of the
Oh,
illest
yeah,
MCs.
yeah, yeah.
One of the MCs that I know. I'm going to put it down
Oh yeah.
for Mr. Junior Lion Tekla.
People, if you love reggae music, make some noise. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Make daddy shoot, 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 shoot. All over the place, I said, when the music's played, I wanna see you dance, dance, dance. Come on, baby, music, whoa, I wanna see you dance, get up and down, ooh yeah, let me show you what a man can do, music, oh, yeah, right into my soul, and we keep singing on and on, and now, what are we gonna do with it? Let me sing it to you one more time again. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Now What are we gonna do with it? Let me sing it to you one more time again. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. A cappella. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Bring it back. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Let me sing it to you one more time again. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We need. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? We people, if you love Stevie Wonder, let me hear you say yeah. Say yeah. Let me hear you say yeah. All right, we love urban music. This is a tribute to the one and only Mr. Stevie Wonder. I hope you're ready for this. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Everyone is feeling pretty. It's a turn of July. Though the world's full of problems, they couldn't touch us even if they tried. From the parks, I hear rhythms. Bob Marley's heart of the box. Tonight there will be a party at Brilliant Plain at the end of the block. Didn't know you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Ain't nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. We'll be coming and coming and coming and coming on. Woo-hoo. They asked me if I were happy, but my answer today is to let all our worries, like a breeze to a finger, slip away. Peace has come to Zimbabwe. What goes right on the one. Tonight there will be a party at Beyond Plain at the end of the block. Didn't know you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Ain't nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Ain't nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Ain't nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. We'll be coming and coming and coming and coming on. Woo! Ooh, yeah. Curacao, if you're still alive, make some noise. Yeah. Ask me if I'm happy. As the matter of fact, I can say that I'm ecstatic, 'cause we all just made a pact. we agreed to join together. We join as children in Jah. We are moving to the positive. Our destination is the brightest star. I didn't know you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. And nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. And nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. And nobody ever told you that you, yeah. We'll be coming until the break of dawn. Nobody ever told you that we're in the middle of the making of the master timing. And nobody ever told you that we're in the middle of the making of the master timing. And nobody ever told you that we're in the middle of the making of the master timing. And nobody ever told you that we're in the middle of the making of the master timing. We're timing, we're timing, timing, timing. We're timing, we're timing, timing, timing. We're timing, we're timing, timing, timing. Timing. Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh. Do 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 do. As around the sun, the earth knows she's revolving, and the reason exactly when to change. All that born is new. What I say to you is true. That I'll be loving you always. As how can reveal the mystery of tomorrow. And in passings we'll grow older every day. Just as all that born is new. What I say to you is true. That I'll be loving you always. Until the rainbow burns the stars out in the sky. Until the ocean covers every mountain high. Until the dolphins fly and parrots live at sea. Until the dream of life and life becomes a dream.
Did you know that true love asks for nothing? Her acceptance is the way we pay. Did you know that life has given love a guarantee to lasting forever until another day?
There's now time known to move on since the beginning. And the seasons know exactly when to change. But I know deep in my mind, love for me I left behind. But I'll be loving you always. Until the rainbow burns the stars out in the sky. Until the ocean covers every mountain high. Until the dolphins fly and parrots live at sea. Until the dream of life and life becomes a dream. Until the rainbow burns the stars out in the sky. Always. Until the ocean covers every mountain high. Always. Until the dolphins fly and parrots live at sea. Always. Until the dream of life and life becomes a dream. Well, ain't that loving you forever, yes. Ain't that loving you forever, yeah. Ain't that loving you forever, yeah. Ain't that loving, 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 until the rainbow burns the stars out in the sky. Always. Until the ocean covers every mountain high. People, have you having a good time? Let me say yeah. What's on there diciendo? Master. ¿Qué va de ahí? ¿Me entendemos? Bob Marley, let me play a song. Ah, well, bueno. Aqui é o sistema está acabando aí. Ela grita mais a tudo mesmo. Menos meses do não Bob Marley, não? Nós não podemos o sistema assim aqui. Você está claro, amigo? But I did not shoot no deputy. It was I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a capital offense. Sheriff John Brown always hated me. For what? I never know. 'Cause every time I plant a seed, oh Lord, he said, who killed them before they grow? He said, kill them before they grow now. And I said, oh now, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. Oh no, it was I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a capital offense, I tell ya. Sheriff John Brown always hated me. For what? I never know. 'Cause every time I plant a seed, he said, who killed them before they grow? He said, kill them before they grow now. And I said, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. Oh, no. It was I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was a capital offense, I tell ya. Reflects his sentimental of me. What is to be must be. 'Cause every day the bucket goes to the well. I mean, one day the bottom gonna drop out. I said, one day the bottom must drop out. And I said, 'cause if I am 50, I will be back. Jaja is real. Jaja is them. So far away, them. A whole of them I go regret it one day, them. So far away, them. A whole of them I go regret it one day. Every day you wake up and wish to have a meal. You get your cut, wish to have it healed. Till you cannot accept it, Jaja is real. Tell me, Mr. Man, say what's the deal? You have everything signed and sealed. Thought you won the case, but now you are appeal. Now you're the one that couldn't hear, now you're the one to feel. Have the identity clear, we chopping down your shield. Ain't going nowhere no time soon. Them go rob the east end and them turn into the moon. Planting your garden and wish that it would bloom. Still you singing Satan tunes. Them gone. So far away, them gone. A whole of them I go regret it one day, them gone. So far away, them gone. A whole of them I go regret it one day. Talk to them, now give me mic now for a moment, make me walk to them. And if you come and go to them, I'll see my scared. If you know you're not guilty, stand up and don't you run. Oh no, to all my foes and friends, you might live to see today, but do not know the end. See the writings on the wall and our stage we stand. Babylon will not live to fall. The writings of Jason, them gone. So far away, them gone. A whole of them I go regret it one day, them gone. So far away, them gone. A whole of them I go regret it one day. Jaja is real. Well, Santa could you stay, see, doch? Jaja is real. I can tell you now. Jaja is real. I've seen his face. Jaja is Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Jasmine, the Nightingale from Eden. All right. I see y'all love reggae music a lot. Busan sa segunda reggae music ting awe noche so sito. Busan ta klapa tu sorti outra coisa. Busan ta klapa tu sorti outra música awe noche. Ah, well, bono. Pero sa dalo reggae masi. Ato busan ko lisa sa akin ang hobby ko. Come on, baby. Come on and steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby. It's been a long, long time since I've got you on my mind. Oh, yeah. And now we are here. I said it's so clear. And see what we can do. Just me and you. Come on and steer it up. Little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby. Come on and steer it up. Yeah. Ooh, little darling, steer it up. you in my heart all day for the hour. Me with the rosewood in my heart all day for the hour. Me black and rosewood in my heart all day for the hour. Me with the rosewood in my heart all day for the hour. Listen, someone loves you, honey. Ooh, yeah. No matter what, just want you to be my girl. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world. I want to spend my life every minute, every day and night. And I want you to know that whatever you do and wherever you go, someone loves you, honey. Ooh, yeah. No matter what, just want you to be my girl. Someone loves you, honey, more than anything in the world. In the world. In the world. In the world. People, if you love rock music, I want to see hands like this, everybody. I wish that I could fly so very high into the sky, just like a dragonfly. I fly above the trees, over the seas, in all degrees, to everywhere I please. Oh, I want to get away. I want to fly away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to get away. I want to fly away. Is you all you ever wanted in a man? 'Cause I'll give you the world. I hit you in the palm of my hand. Why you love went away, girl? I can seem to understand. It was you and me, baby. You and me until the end. But I guess I was wrong. Don't wanna talk about it. I'm just sick about it. I'm just confused about it. If you ever felt just confused about it, I just can think about it. I just can think about it. Is this the way it's really going down? I should have known better when you came around. It's breaking my heart to see you run around. And I know that one day you will find what goes around, comes all the way back around. Goes around, comes all the way back around. Goes around, comes all the way back around. Goes around, comes all the way back. Ladies and gentlemen, El Castillo Blanco. having a good time, let me hear you say yeah. All right, Beyond Plein. Our nootje daar aan. Hey, ik heb graag zien. We zijn precies de verantwoordelijk bij elkaar bureau. Je barco te drinken, oké? Kale barco die minimaal 30 in de ribetje, zeker man. Zit het yes barco dat minimaal 3 zingen en dan zeg ik, kaba. Hoop je attention. And of no, it's the sexiest harbor I have seen anywhere on my travel. Hope you of no, people. And to that you want to look up, I can get a that harbor, really? No, guarda, no. No como mi malo, pero look at this, man. Corsau, como dice? Você sabe que tem muziek die Corsau, hoor? Maar sobra, nós vamos planear se nós mesmos muziek hoor aqui. Nós andamos para klappen, cuida e bloemetje, cuida flor. Man cuida flor rond. This is my top 10 hit on the island. Kiko? Ay, okay. Ore magia dalmi, pura son a florece mi voy a abrir. Su belleza, su bombonán, curva llena, lo provoca a mí. Si abandonan mentiroso, no por satisfacer, abrir para mí. Bien porta, invítame, mitad 30, planta vida, fruta de mí. Mi amor, mitad clapa, de flor, y nos, mitad clapa, de flor, mitad clapa, si bombardina, y fantasía, y nos. Braçam fuerte para proteger, elimina turcos, escutas e butrins do Amber macho com verdade, segura competência, es nada más juvenil. Si abandonan mentiroso, no por satisfacer, abrir para mí. Bien porta, invítame, mitad 30, planta vida, fruta de mí. Mi amor, mitad clava, de flor, y no, mitad clava, de flor, mitad clava, si bombarina, fantasía, y no. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're ready. We got a talented lady here in the house, and we call her the Blessing. Her mom and daddy called her Naomi Silvani.
Ooh, yeah. Boa noite, Corsol. You guys look amazing. Festival aqui da manhã fombo. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Não entendemos. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Minha massa. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Listen. I woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Walked to the newspaper and found the mess we left. I don't know where to start, but I gotta play my part. After all, I've got my peers to maintain. Got joy in my soul, peace in my mind, love in my heart, peace in my mind, satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude.
Don't you feel like?
Yeah.
Don't you feel like?
Satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude.
Don't you feel like?
Yeah.
Don't you feel like?
One more time. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not trying to run away. Your love is all I need. It's the little things you do that sway me off my feet. Who you are to me inspires me to rise above my fears and be all I can be. I give you all of me. Got joy in my soul, peace in my mind, love in my heart, peace in my mind, satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude. You say, yeah. Whoa, satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude.
The way your hair curls, my pearl. A diamond in the rough, my world. I enjoy my view. This world is dedicated to you. The diamond on the rough, my empire, my throne. Caesar, I ain't the pleaser. She makes me weak in the knees. She's my preview, a teaser. Change up my style like every season. Oh yeah.
Junior the visa. Jaja is real. I don't know about y'all, but I know that I am a living testimony que Deus está existir. Minha vez de busca muito forçado com religião because I ain't in that. I just want you to know who the creator of heaven and earth is God, and He has called everything to work into perfection. Cada de vocês está perfection. Quando bem aqui na nossa aboque, babini, mas o word chamado existência. And Jaja is real. The fact that I'm standing here, you're standing here, is real. And I want to say, gratitude is the way we breathe. It's the way we attract every miracles that is needed para solucionar whatever situation is around you. Aren't we so grateful for this beautiful event? velas latino-americano. Esta 13 duche ambiente riba nos isla. Bom atenção para nos isla. Amigo agradecido e humilde de taquinan e cordabuku. Believe it or not, you are called here because you are loved. So, sing this song of gratitude with me. Say, whoa, whoa, yeah, 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 yeah. He's a woman. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Se pode agradecido. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now. Whoa, whoa, yeah, beautiful, yeah, yeah. You're my desire. You're my desire. You're my desire. You light me on fire. You're my desire. You're my desire. You light me on fire. Whoa. Satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude. Do you feel it? Yeah, satisfaction of a life filled with gratitude. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Let me say, oh, 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 Count your blessings.
Naomi Silvani.
Make noise one more time for Miss Naomi Silvani. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce the very talented Miss Royston Hato. And we got a nickname for everybody. We'll call him King Criollo.
Arriba un geração, cinta na trem estação. Mandou pro home versus sodas e oração. Mas a caminho de vive Deus me trama bendição. Oh, 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 não tá coisa normal pra mim. Pero mas de coração e sacudiu a mim. Não te importa quanto mal assim. Pensei a me te cambia mi mes. O grande bo mes. Lo que botín, tinco no tin, pero ainda não está bem cora a costa aperta. Ai, 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 nos tem duche vida, nos tem
Costa de más
bonita, nos vê abre o pana, viva bomba, somos amanhã. Ai, 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 nos tem duche vida, nos tem costa de mais bonita. Nos meses abre o pana, passo nete bonanta vai trempa.
Ay, mi taba la mucha y tambe tribi. Pero vida assim a mi kumitin gradisi. Cosnan kumasi a mi nota repenti. Sim, foi de malo, pe bom por existir. Ai, na 90 minha strica caseta que mi mama e mi tata brinca me respeita. Danquina a Dios pa mi talento, pensei me tá contento. Ai, 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 nos tem duche vida, nos tem costa de mais bonita, nos mester abriu o pana. Biba bom awe passou bom amanhã.
Ai, 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 nos tem duche vida, nos tem costa de mais bonita, nos mester abriu o pana. Passo nete bonanta vai trempa.
Break it down,
Vida que dura tu sou.
celebrar. E aqui me celebrar, celebrar. O tempo tá passando a voz.
Awe botin vida amanhã bonosa.
E vira aqui tu rato sou.
Celebrar,
Dia tem que celebrar.
celebrar,
O tempo tá passando a voz.
celebrar. Awe botin vida amanhã.
Ai, 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 nos
Nos tem duche vida, nos tiene cosas ni más bonita, nos mes de abril o pana.
Y babong awe paso bon sa manya.
Ay, 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 nos tiene dulce vida, nos tiene cosas ni más bonita, nos mes de abril o pana. Pasonete bona tabay trepa. Ay, 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 nos tiene dulce vida.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Mr. Royston Hato, King Criollo. And on my left side, give it up for the very talented Karamonte Yuko Sa Puro Sepa Kinanang. Give it up for Jasmine, the Nightingale from Eden.
Thank you.
I want us again. People, do you love R&B music? Do you love soul music? Ah, well, bono. You remember this one? We're going to the 90s right now.
Yeah. Going back for a minute. Bring that old new shit. Break it down for him, Junior.
See the thing about you that crossed my eyes is the same thing that made me change my mind. Trying hard to explain, but girl, I'll try. You need to sit down, this might take a while. I see that girl sorta looks like you. She even smiles just the way you do. So innocent she seems, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I look at you, you remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. Couldn't believe all the things she put me through. And this is why I just can't get with you. Thought that she was the one for me, till I found out she was on her creep. Yeah, everyone but me. And this is why we could never be. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. You believe of all the things she put me through. And this is why I just can't get with you. You remind me of a girl that I once knew. See your face whenever I look at you. You believe of all the things she put me through. And this is why I just can't get with. Now we're going back to the 70s, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sly and the Family Stone. Like this. If you want me to stay, I'll be around today. I'll be available for you to see. And if you see me again, I hope that you have been the kind of person that you really are now. Sonny, yesterday my life was filled with rain. Sonny, you bring me joy and really ease my pain. Well, you know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way. I've been watching you for a while, and I just got to let you know that I'm really digging your style. And I have to know your name and leave you with my number and Hope that you will call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too. And if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We can still be cool because I'm not trying to pressure you. Just can't stop thinking about you. You don't even really want to be my girlfriend. I just want to know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. Damn, I'm surprised that you called, because the way you walked away, thought I wasn't gonna see you no more. Then you didn't wanna give me your name. Thought that you were egging me and wasn't digging me. But anyway, what you doing tonight? I'd probably be with my peeps. And if you want, then you can swing by. And you can just with us, or you can just with me. As long as you're comfortable and you feel secure when you're with me. I'm not trying to, oh no,
Just can't stop thinking
oh
about you.
no.
You don't even really.
You don't even really, oh no. I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. I'm not trying to pressure, oh no.
Just can't stop thinking
Oh
about you.
no.
You don't even really.
You don't even really got to be.
I just wanna know
Your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. I'm not trying to pressure you, just can't stop thinking about you. You don't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just wanna know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. People having a good time, let me hear you say yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, we got Uncle Gats in the building, you see. Yo, Gaddy, where you at?
That's what's up, that's what's up, yo.
Do you love hip-hop music?
Hoje, sua.
I said, people, if you love hip-hop music, make some noise. I got 5 on it. Grab your 40, let's get keyed. Cause I got 5 on it. You're messing with that Indo weed. Cause I got 5 on it. I get stuck and not go back. I got 5 on it. But now let's go have fun and snack.
Uncle Gets
In the building.
What's up, Cabbage Game? Mami pa entertainer in the put the bomb it on the tank. Man, bomb it, drop it, lock it, shake it, put it on guy them. Ribe boy shit. Soldata, lanta, marcha, aguanta, no spanta, para fustan. Put elefanta. Awe noche taka baby, que ranca. Muralla, arre, nada cuenta
I got 5 on it. I grab you 40, let's get keyed.
Chill.
I got 5 on it.
Do that.
She's messing with that Indo weed.
Cause
I got 5 on it. I get stuck and not go back. Cause I got 5 on it. But now let's go have fun now. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Yeah.
I just want you to know that you won't be
Whoa, oh, oh, oh.
special. Ooh.
Yeah.
I just want you to know that you won't leave me.
Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
Oh, yeah. You know there's something about you.
Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
I know there's something about you.
Oh, oh,
Oh, yeah. In the building, baby.
yeah.
I just want you
Five
to
Nation.
know that you won't
Whoa,
leave me
oh, oh, oh.
special. Ooh.
Yeah.
So dribble down the A.
To the toe, to the
Yo,
tail.
that's the anthem. Get your damn hands up.
To the toe, to the tail. Y'all gotta feel me. To the toe, to the tail.
That's the anthem. Get your damn hands up.
To the toe, to the tail.
Not guilty, y'all got to feel me.
To the toe, to the tail.
Not guilty, y'all got to feel me.
To the toe, to the tail. It's the anthem. Get your damn hands up. To the toe, to the tail.
Not guilty, y'all got to
Yo,
feel me. Oh,
what? One more time again. One more time again.
oh, yeah.
Now, ladies, I see y'all looking pretty tonight, but you're looking pretty gangster in mine. This one's for all the ladies here tonight in
All the
Curaçao.
gangsters,
Are you ready?
Throw your W's
Are you ready
up.
for this?
Throw your W's up.
Are you ready for this? Make some noise!
Oh, yeah.
Representing for the gangsters all across the world.
Still.
We hit the corners in the low, girl.
Still.
Got time to perfect the beat. And we still got love for the streets. It's the junior. For the gangsters all across the world. We hit the corners in the low, girl. Still got time to perfect the beat. And we still got love for the streets. It's the
It's still
D.R.E.
Dre Day, nigga.
Day,
Hey,
day.
nigga. Though I'm grown a lot to
Keep it home alive.
Because when I drop, when
Where
I
I
roll
know the rock.
in the drum, when I roll the spot. Ladies, they pay homage, but they fell off, nigga. A mass album was
What's
the
the
chronic.
chronic?
He wants to know if he still got it.
They say rap change. They want to know how I feel. And you ain't up on things.
Mr. Guess be the name, I'm the head of my game.
Still.
Up in my street, still fuck with the beat.
Still
Not loving police. Still rocking khakis with a couple in the crease. Still got love for the streets.
rapping 213.
Still the beat bang.
Still doing my thing.
And since I left, they
Ain't too much change.
Still, I represent
All the gangsters all across the world. Hit the corners in the low, girl. Still got time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the streets. It's a
written for the gangsters
all across the world.
Still hitting the corners
In the low, girl.
Still taking my time
Time to perfect the beat. And we still got love for the gin and juice.
Oh,
With my mind on my money and my money on my
Back
mind.
to LA on this one.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
This is tribute to a man, Snoop Dogg.
With my mind on my money and my money on my
Where we
mind.
rolling at? Where we rolling at?
Yeah, we're gonna roll it like this.
All right, let's roll.
I said rolling down the streets, smoking indo, sipping on gin and juice.
What?
Laid back,
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind.
rolling down the street, smoking indo, sipping on gin and juice.
Lay back.
With my mind on my money and my
Money on my mind.
We're rolling down the street, smoking indo, sipping on gin and juice. Laid back, with my mind on my money and my.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. So peppin' every day up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Stacks, Mr. Molly Ball. I let my tape rock.
Tell my tape pop,
Smoking on weed. Sipping on
private stock,
way back when they had the red and black
lumberjack with the hats to match.
Remember rapping, dude?
The hard,
You never thought that hip hop would
take it this far,
Now I'm in the limelight.
cause I rhyme tight.
Time to get paid. Blowing up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Beats the bomb beats. Kick a brief. Funk master flex.
Love
Rock star shit. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the crib. Same number. Same good.
It's all good, that's right. And if you don't know, now you know, baby.
You know very well
Yeah, Jazz.
who you are.
Tell them.
Don't let them hold you down.
Uh.
Reach for the stars. You had a goal, but not that many. 'Cause you're the only one. I'll give you good.
One more time again.
You know very well who you are. Don't let them hold you down.
Yeah.
Reach for the stars. You had a goal, but not that
if you don't know, now you know, baby. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Oh,
You remember this one? Going back with B.I.G. Smalls. If you love Biggie Smalls, make some noise.
Come on. Do ce soir.
That's right. Yeah.
All right, man. Y'all ready for
It's a
this?
tribute to urban music, yo. Keeping it black.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace this lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock moves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping Moet is where you find me. The back of the club.
Like in holes.
What math question asking, blunt passing, music.
Blasting.
But I just can't quit because one of these ladies Biggie got to grip with.
Sleep with, keep the ever secret. Why not?
What?
Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got
What?
hot.
Now
Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig.
Than in the bed.
Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the need.
No need to be greedy.
I got mad friends with Benz and C-notes by the layers.
What?
Truth. Players. Jump in the rover and come over. Tell your friends.
Jump in the GX3.
I got the chronic by the tree.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player.
I love it when you call me Big
Papa. So the honeys get your money playing niggas like dummies.
I love it when you call me
Big Papa.
You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight
They should be having my baby. Hey, yo, Jasmine, take it away, man.
Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these brothers think they be acting, but they be acting. Who they attracted with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine
I just creep up from behind.
and ask you what your interests are.
Who you be with?
Things to make you smile, what numbers to dial. You won't be here for a while, I will call my crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around two.
Playing the keys, throw the keys, a little C's, pull the trunk up front and roll up the next blunt so we can scheme on the way to the telly, go fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, yes.
And well, just break.
Conversation of you,
Cause in a few, we gon' do what we came to do.
Ain't that right, boo?
True.
Expect intelligence, just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi, smoke else while you do.
I love it when you call me Big
Papa.
Throw your hands in the air.
If you're a true player.
I love it
When you call me Big Papa.
To the honeys making money playing like dummies.
I love it when you call me Big Papa.
You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place.
Why?
Cause I'm
Still some ladies tonight.
They should be having my baby.
Baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce the band right now. Are you ready for this? We got on guitar. We got El Castillo Blanco. Yeah. On guitar, give it up for El Castillo Blanco. On keys, we got, of course, we got, break it down. You know, we got nicknames for everybody. Los tieng, ay, mi papapya ko, papiamento, mi talubi da ako. Sesa. Los ting nombre di Carillo Paturene de Amanda. Nakakita El Castillo Blanco. Sumama ko sa tatay may Willem Blankenburg. But we call him El Castillo Blanco. Give it up one more time. On percussion and vocals, ladies and gentlemen, tonight, the talented young man. Sumama ko sa tatay may Royston Hato. We call him King Criollo. On bass, we got the one and only talented Mr. Radisson Zink. We got a name for him. We call him El Cubano. On keys, ladies and gentlemen. What shall we call this man right here? What is it? It is. Give it up for Gio Maduro, a.k.a. The Arranger. On drums, last but not least, give it up. We know him as Londe Corrales, but we call him the General. Give it up for El General. Last but not least, I got two left. You got Uncle Gats. You know, everybody calls him Gats. We call him the Uncle, but you can call him Uncle Gats. And last but not least, the super talented Miss Jasmine, the Nightingale from Eden.
Oh, yeah.
Hope you're ready for this, Pharrell. Senorita, I feel for you. Deal with things that you don't have to. It doesn't love you, I can tell by his charms. You can feel this real love if you just lay in my. If you lay in my. If you lay in my. Yeah. If you lay in my. When I look into your eyes, I see something that money can buy. But I'm willing to give us a try. I work harder for you, girl. You don't ever have to. Listen, sing it with me, people. Senorita, I feel for you. Sing. One more time. Senorita, I feel for you. Sing. You remember this one? We going back to the 90s like this. Yeah, baby. I don't wanna sound. I don't wanna sound. I don't wanna sound full of myself or rude. But you be looking at no other two. Just maybe because you love me. But then you think about a chance. Just trying just to do my dance. It's maybe because you want me. Cause then we tried and feeling this love now because you weren't just how fast we touched. Then we locked eyes and I knew I wasn't there and I was gonna tear your ass up. Never mind, I'm just carrying on. Never mind, I'm just showing off. I was just fronting. You know I want you, baby. I'm ready to bet it on. Never mind, I'm just showing off. I was just fronting. You know I want you, baby. We got another one for real. Dance. Come on. Yo, guess what you gotta say?
Yeah. Every time your name was brought on, how I act all nonchalant in front of an audience, like you was just another shorty. I put the naughty on, but the truth be told, you took me for a look this whole. I'm too old to be frontin' what I'm feeling, then selling, acting like you ain't appealing when you are, frontin' like you ain't my only girl when you are. I'm ready to stop when
I'm
you
just carrying on. Never mind, I'm just showing off. I was just fronting. You know I want you, baby. I'm ready to bet it on. Never mind, I'm just showing off. I was just fronting. You know I want you, baby. I'm ready to bet it on. Never mind, I'm just showing off. I was just fronting. You know I want you, baby. I'm ready to. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Miss Jasmine from Eden. Remember how we used to harmonize like this back in the days?
Oh yeah.
Watch out, watch out.
Come on, man.
Watch out, watch out.
Come on, let's
watch out, watch out. Give it up for Miss Naomi Giovanni. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yo,
Green reasons you're looking for your friend, the one you never hit and never called you again. Told you he was about the Benjamins, you wanted you with him, but you called him again. Plus when you give it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again. Talking out your neck saying you're a Christian, a Muslim, sleeping with the Jen. Now that was the sin that we just about it. Who you gonna tell when the repercussions here? Showing off your ass cause you're thinking it's a trend, girlfriend. Let me break
one, do you love the Fugees? Make some noise.
Y'all ready for this? All right.
Ready or not,
What?
here I come.
Uh-huh.
You can't hide. Sing. I'm gonna
find you
and take it slowly.
Yeah.
Ready or not,
What?
here I come.
Come on.
You can't hide. Oh no. I'm gonna
find you
and take it slowly. Now that I escaped, sleepwalk away. Those who could relate know the world ain't get tail bars and golden gates. Those who fake they break when they beat their 400 pounds mate. Now if I rule the world, everyone will get a gun.
In the handle of course.
We get the up on the horse. I them gonna bring it moonshine under concrete. For the disease, don't know, don't we?
What's left in the state of sleep?
Think about the robbery that he did last week. Money in the bag, make it look like a drag. Want to play with pelicans, but in the Baghdad. God bless, think fast, I think I'm hit. To see if I still exist, I think not.
I send a letter to my friend. I'm born again, born again.
Only to be king again, ready or not.
What?
Here I come.
Come on.
You can't hide. Oh no, I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. See what I mean? You sing. I'm gonna
find you and take it slowly. You can run away from these stars I got, oh baby, yeah baby, 'cause I got a lot, oh yeah. And everywhere you go, my whole crew's gonna know, oh baby, yeah baby, you can hide from these blocks, oh no.
ready or not. Here I come. You can hide. People sing one last time. I'm gonna
Find you, take it slowly.
ready or not. Here I come. You can hide. Oh no, I'm gonna find you and take it slowly. Yeah, we're taking it softly right now, cause you know we gotta take it softly right now.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a son, and so I came to see him and listen for a while. I hope that he was finished, but he just kept right on, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly
With what?
with his song.
Give it up for him.
La 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 la. Whoa, yeah, yeah. La la la.
Give it up for Miss Naomi Silvani. Make some noise. You remember this one? We're going back to the 90s. One more time like this. Yeah. Maria, Maria. Castillo Blanco. One more time again. Stop the shooting, stop the looting, big buckets on the corner. The rich is getting richer, and the poor is getting poorer. We see Maria on the corner, trying to wait to make it better. In a mailbox, an eviction letter. Somebody said you'll see you later. I think of Mama Chola. I think of Mama Chola. I think of Mama Chola. Maria, Maria. Remind me of the West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She's living a life just like a movie star. Oh, Maria, Maria. Born in East LA. By the sound of the guitar, yeah. Played by Castillo Blanco.
I hope you know for the taking.
What?
No one wanna see me naked, naked, naked. Kitty, kitty, baby, give the thing some rest. Cause you don't beat it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds ain't nothing when I'm rocking with you. Diamonds ain't nothing when I'm shining with you. Keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town out here with you. You know I get wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild, wild noise. Wild, wild, wild. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wild, wild, wild. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts, baby. Yeah.
Now, still going back to the 90s one more time, ladies and gentlemen. And this one's for all the ladies here tonight. I know y'all love, yeah, because they love Montel Jordan, am I right, Getty? Yeah, man. This one's Montel's for you. Over on the dance floor, I'm thinking, why can't she be like you? I'm shaming, I can go on like this, believing that my love is true. Oh, girl, if it's alright, we go somewhere and get it on tonight. I got a girl, but you look good tonight, so good. It's one on one tonight, tonight. Girl, if it's alright, we go somewhere and get it on. We'll get it on. Girl, but you look good tonight, so good. It's one on one tonight, 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 tonight. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to jazz it up a little here on the Breon Planet like this. Walking bass. This is how we do it. Yeah, come on. This is how we do it. Da-da-da-da-da. Let me see that hands up in the air. Da-da-da-da-da. This is how we do it. No, no. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. It's Sunday night and it feels alright. The party's here on Breon Planet. I reach up on my 40 and I turn it up. Pushing me to drive and get the keys to my truck. They said, Junior, man, you made it. I said, no, man, I feel like I'm faded. Feels so good in my hood tonight. This is how we do it.
South Central does it like nobody does.
This is how we do it.
To all my neighbors that got much flavor,
This is how we do it.
bring up the track and the old school back.
This is how we do it.
Now this is how we do it. Put your hands up in the air and wave it like you just don't care. If you're OG Mac or you wanna be a player, you're so good, my good tonight. So tip up your cup and throw your hands up. Let me hear the party say, kind of fun and it's all because
This is how we do it.
South Central does it like nobody does.
This is how we do it.
All my neighbors that got much flavor.
This is how we do it.
Bring up the track, bring the old school back.
This is how we do it.
Oh. Remember this one. If you love Tupac, let me see your hands up in the air if you love Tupac.
California
What?
knows how to party.
West, y'all.
California knows how to party. The city.
What?
The city. City of mountain. The city. City of mountain. Keep me rocking.
Yo, yeah.
Keep me rocking.
Yo. Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West. A state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug in your chest. Rapper fest for the city in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass heavy. A state where you never find a dance floor empty. And Bimpsy on a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines, serving cheese. I've been in this game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honey was wearing tattoos, now it's 95 and they watch me die and shining, looking like I'm Bob Liberace. It's all good, from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city make it pay. Pull up a finger if you feel the same way. Guess what? You're down from California, yeah.
California knows how to party. California knows how to party. In the city. In the city. No one. In the city. City of mountain. We keep it rocking. We keep it rocking.
Come on.
Shake it, shake it, darling. Shake, baby, shake it, shake it, darling. Shake, baby, shake it, shake it, darling. Shake, baby, shake it, darling.
Now listen, yo, just everywhere I go, they be like,
Ooh, so play, yeah.
everywhere I go, they be like,
Ooh, so play, yeah.
everywhere I go, they be like,
Ooh, so play,
people, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Say what you're trying to do.
Baby, what you're trying to do?
Baby, we're carrying magic in the air. And to total so good. I didn't count. Listen. First of all, the hustler, gangster, niggas with an ugly ass friend. Oh, can I preach? Can I preach? What? Yeah, that's how a pimp get it in. Hey, first, do your dip, do your step, spend your money like money ain't shit. Ooh, you gotta blame it on cheese. Hashtag, you ain't ready for me. Well, I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault that you be talking. Keep up. Play it, don't it? Put your bring up to the moon. What you trying to do?
Baby, what you're trying to do?
Ready for carrying magic in the air. How'd you do so well? I look out. Thank you so much for coming out here.
Who let the dogs out?
What?
Who let the dogs out?
Yeah.
Who let the dogs out?
What?
Who let the dogs out?
What?
Who let the dogs out?
I'm an outlaw. Quick on the draw. Something you never seen before. And I motherfucker. I got something going.
And I got it my
Yo.
own.
And it ain't a microphone. Yeah.
And I can't order something.
It's so real how I feel. This society that makes a nigga wanna feel. And it's shit straight.
Wanna drive my motorcycle down the street.
What?
Politicians, they keep sound like shepherds to me. They
Yeah.
keep saying, but I don't wanna hear it.
Who made you want me? Who made you want me? Who made you want me? And you can get this lap dance here for free. You can get this lap dance here for free. You can get this lap dance here for free. Come on. Who made you want me? You can get this lap dance here for free. Second verse, promes palabra. Maneva di bara, no ti cuenti nada. Suzuki Bill Street, by Venta di banda. Rito shine, item line, taking on the babia. The punta na mesa, king ang pasa, ding ng banda, Uncle Gets. The king, mas mama. Sea mawabo, the kibra garganta, pops, de banda, no worry, no está pisa nada. Pensé chico, mi peguita fijo. En su paquito, en avión de su equipo. He hecho taco, no stay de huega, nigga. Sea poco pega. Who made you want me? Who made you want me? Who made you want me? And you can get this lap dance here for free. And you can get this lap dance here for free. And you can get this lap dance here for free. Tell 'em, Junior. Who made you want me? And you can get this lap dance here for free. Doce suave.
All right, people, thank you so much for coming out. Give it up one more time for Miss Naomi Silvani. You see, we're a family. We are Vibe Nation, and we rule this nation with positive vibration, you see. This year at the North Sea Jazz, we got Damian Marley. Do you love Damian Marley, people? If you love Damian Marley, make some noise. I love his music personally. I think he's the most creative one of all the Marleys. So we got our own version here tonight. De coração pra Jamaica. De coração pra Jamaica. De coração pra Jamaica. De coração pra Jamaica. Yes. Like this, one time, hey. Welcome to Jam Rock Camp, where talks them camp at 2 pounds of weed in your handbag, it in your handbag, you knapsack it in your backpack. The smell give your girlfriend contact, some boy not notice. They come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas. Bedtime stories, post like they named Chuck Norris. They don't know real hot yorkers and that's a no back to. Talks them and do what they've got to. Won't think twice to shot you. Don't let them spot you. Unless you carry guns a lot too. I don't stop, think I'm at you now. Brave sound man, shot love and block up traffic. The party locked down, it's a big rabbit. Police are come in and cheap. They can't stop it. We love pop and they start clap. Now come a playboy rabbit. You want to post stuff, you don't have it. Now Babylon, yes, I drop like a bad habit. Rastafari stand alone. Welcome to Jam Rock. Whoa, yeah. Welcome to Jam Rock. From the East Coast to the West Coast like this. Banda riba de banda, bonus the road. Welcome to out in the street, they call it. Well, the Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica. The Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica. Welcome to Sua, Bosona Turripano Suna, Bonas Berceru Fortuna, come una, nata come paseggi di tuna. Nada e verdura con bosche, la città na musa cabel, la città camiscia, in classa si potroves. The price aguacate are ridiculous, in a mama standala. Welcome to Jam Rock. Whoa, yeah. Welcome to Jam Rock. Coast to the west coast, I say, banda riva de banda, Bonosa Road. Welcome to Jam Rock. Whoa, yeah. Welcome to Jam Rock. Yes, out in the street, they call it. Well, the Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica.
Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica. Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica. Cena de Hueca, the Console for Jamaica.
The Console for Jamaica. Console for Jamaica. The Console for Jamaica. The Console for Jamaica. Masha Donkey Console, Brion Plain, Velas Latinas, peace, love, unity amongst all creations under the sun. Guadalupe Dios, Jah has got our backs every time, every day, everywhere. Jah live amongst us all. Blessings, bendición, paturmienena. Peace, love, and unity amongst all creations under the sun. Jah Rastafari. Mabing eigenlijk wat met G's doen, respect naar Ibanda. Give it up one more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Willem El Castillo Blanco. Jasmine, the Nightingale from Eden. Redison Zink, El Cubano. We got the General, a.k.a. Lonte Conrades. We got Royston Hato, a.k.a. the King Criollo. We got the Blessing, Miss Naomi Silvani. We call him the uncle. You can call him Uncle Gats.
Give it up for Uncle Gats. ¿Qué más, mi tadín? ¿Qué más? Malupit ang wende? Gio. Gio. Meneer de Wind. Give it up for Gio, the arranger, Maduro. We don't have any more songs, man. We didn't expect to come back. We were like, this is a festival and shit. Okay. All night long. Fuck it. Okay, we got one song that we can do. Unpracticed. Was saying que no sé un coque, pero ma che rete subi, adesso è ba. Non so pure bene.
Oh.
Was aan de klapung ko unprepared again? Was aan de mes unprepared ko nosta? Dan Chiclanda. Mi tanta stima. I got my girl Aziz in the audience. Odales, eindelijk. Het repertoire give me the baby DJ. All right, we got something right here. This is a jam. Tie down. Whoa, whoa. One more time. Tie down. Whoa, whoa. Well, my friends, the time has come. Raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done. Let the music play on, play on, play on. Everybody sing, everybody dance, and lose yourself in wild romance. We're going to party, live, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, live, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song. Now people dancing all in the streets. Now feel the rhythm all in their feet. I tell you now, that life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play, 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 play. Feel it in your heart and feel it in your soul. Let the music take control. We're going to party, live, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing along. We're going to party, live, fiesta, forever. Come on and sing my song. All night long, all night, all night long. Yes, all night long, all night, all night long. Once you get started, you can't slow down. Come join our party, it's a merry-go-round. Everyone's dancing their trouble away. Come join our party, see how we play. People make some noise. Chambolite te mayan. Where to party, oh we go on. Chambolite te mayan. Oh yeah, we're gonna Yes, all night long. All night, all night long. Everyone we meet is traveling in the street all night long. Yeah, I'm singing. Everyone we meet is jamming in the street all night long. Come on, now feel good, feel good.
Remember, tomorrow night, Isalinka Lister will be here. And Tuesday, Salsa Nation, Oscar de Leon. Hope you enjoy, guys. See you tomorrow.